friends, and welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to explain Pure Enjoy's reviews. Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So Pure Enjoys mainly deals with women's apparel and accessories, and apart from that you can get fashionable t-shirts, tops, dresses, sweatshirts, hoodies, shoes and elegant accessories. And guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. Now let's talk about the payment information of this website. So according to the website details, the modes of payment available on this website are MX, JCB, MasterCard, PayPal, Visa, etc. And when it comes to the shipping details, so let's take a look at the shipping policy here. So guys, shipping processing time is 3 to 7 days, and the shipping time can be extended up to 2 weeks in case of a high volume of orders. And when it comes to the international shipping time, then it will take up to 2 to 6 weeks. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So this website is protected through HTTPS protocol and SSL integration to keep the details and transactions safe. And talking about the domain information, the domain name was created on 7th of May 2020 and it is 4 month, 8 days old website. Now let's take a look at the About Us section to know more about this website. So guys, limited information is available in this section. There is no company history, background, founder detail in this section. So this is, I think, a bad sign because we are not able to find the business owner's details, the company history and brand connection info as well. Now let's take a look at the contact us information. So guys, you can see they have not provided their official address details and they have not provided the contact number as well, but you can find the email address in this section and this email matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. Now let's talk about social media presence. So guys, I'm not able to view any social media icon on this website. Thus this website has no social media presence. Coming to the return policy, the company offers a 30-day hassle-free refund policy. Guys, please do comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. And when it comes to the customer reviews, guys, sadly there is no single review we have found on the website. Apart from that, the search engine has no records of this site. Now guys, in the final conclusion, it is confirmed that the store is not legit store to trust as of now because absence of contact address, absence on social networking sites, unavailability of company's information led to believe us that this is a suspicious site and possibly a scam. And if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So keep commenting. Please like this video and subscribe our channel today. Be informed, be safe, and thank you for watching the video.